If you're over 40 and worried about your chances of IVF success, don't guess, get clarity. Scan the QR code and chat with my IVF chatbot for a free instant second opinion. Now let's talk about something most IVF clinics don't explain properly: mitochondria. These are tiny structures inside your eggs. Think of them as the egg's power plants. And here's the blunt truth: as you age, your mitochondria age too. Why does this matter? Because fertilization and embryo development are extremely energy intensive processes. If your egg doesn't have enough energy, even a genetically normal embryo may fail to develop properly or fail to implant. This is why many women over 40 produce embryos but still don't get pregnant. The problem is not just chromosomes, the problem is energy failure at the cellular level. Now, here's the good news: while we can't turn back the biological clock, we can optimize mitochondrial function. This includes improving egg health through the right ovarian stimulation protocols, using supplements like CoQ10 and DHEA in selected patients, reducing oxidative stress because free radicals damage mitochondria, and most importantly, choosing a clinic with a high-quality lab that supports embryo development properly. But let's be clear, there are no magic bullets. Anyone promising to reverse egg aging is selling you hope, not science. What you can do is stack the odds in your favor by understanding what's actually happening inside your body and making informed decisions. Because IVF success after 40 is not about luck, it's about biology, strategy, and transparency. Want to know if your previous IVF failure could be due to poor egg quality or mitochondrial issues? Scan the QR code and chat with my IVF chatbot right now. It's free, honest, and available 24/7. Stop guessing. Start making smarter decisions.